Hey guys, my name is Shashank and welcome back to this another video, and today in this video I'm going to give you a very powerful tool to create your own resume from your LinkedIn profile in just 2 simple steps. Right? It sounds interesting because so much time we have already wasted on MS Word, on various websites to create our free resumes, but the powerful tool was right under our nose. So stay tuned with me throughout this video. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide. Before that, don't forget to subscribe this channel. So first of all, just open your LinkedIn profile and you can do it on your mobile phone, on your tablets, on your laptop or desktop. After you open your LinkedIn profile, just simply go to your profile section, go to me and then view profile. So your profile section, the editable section will appear to you and you can then edit it as per your requirement. So if you have not done that, I would request you to just complete your profile by adding various sections. For example, you can go to this add section option and then you can add multiple sections for going from the intro to your about section, where you can add your posts, articles, or your background section, which is the most important, which includes your work experience, education, license, volunteer experience and skills, right? So I would request you to just complete these sections, because I'm not going to waste time on how to add these sections because everybody know that. So after you complete your profile, the next step is to convert your profile into your resume. So how do you do that? You can simply go to this more option, but before I go to this more option, I will tell you that there are 2 ways you can create your resume, and I will give you both of these 2 ways. So first of all, just go to the more section and then you will see this build a resume, right? So just click on that. So now you see I have just already created a lot of resume. I was just testing it. Then you can go to create from profile, or if you have already created a resume on Word document, you can upload it. But I will go with this section, create from profile, right? So after you click on this option, you will see this new screen and they will ask you that for which job position you are applying, and according to that, the LinkedIn will suggest you relevant keywords, skills which you can add on your resume. So let's say I'm adding for security manager, right? So let's say information security manager, and just apply. And this is your resume, right? But don't hurry, right? Because there is a lot of things which I want to explain to you before you just close this video and start making your resume. So you will see this is how your resume will look like when you download it. But that is not what I want. This is very boring resume, right? This is from, I think, 1980s to 1970s format which they are using here. So first of all, this is the section where you can edit your information. So let's say you want to edit anything which is not added in your profile section. So whatever you are going to edit in this section will not be populated or will not be updated to your profile section. So right, that is the one thing. So let's say you want to add your summary about your professional summary. So they also give you the tips that how do you add your professional summary, what are the things to keep in mind, how do you format it, and what should be the limit of bullet points in your professional summary. So just follow these tips and create your resume, and then add your work experience. If you have multiple experiences, you can go with that also, right? So just click on the section and they will ask you all the details, give you the tips on how to make it more professional. So just follow these tips and create your resume, right? So once you have added everything which you want to add in your resume, simply you can go to the more option, and then first of all you can preview it if you want to see how it would look like when you download it. So this is how it is going to look like when you download it, but this is very boring, as I told you, right? So you can just simply go to more and download as a PDF. So it will download, right? So it will ask you where do you want to save it. So let's say I want to save it in my E drive, and then this is my resume which I have just created. but I don't want this format, so I want to change the format. So how would you do that? Simply go back to your profile section, right? View profile, and now I want you to just simply go to this file which you have just created, because you have followed all the professional tips which LinkedIn has given you. So just copy whatever the content you have added here, right? So for example, if you have added these points in your resume, just Control C and go to this option, and then go to your add section option, then go to your work experience, and I want you to update everything which you have created from that resume to your profile section, right? So this will how it will look like when you try to add a more experience section. So just do that, copy everything which you have added in this resume to your profile section, and once you have done everything, once you have added all these tips which has been given by the LinkedIn to create your resume, you can simply go to this more section again and then go to save to PDF. So let's see how this new resume will look like. So this new resume is ready to download. So let's say profile 1, and I will save it to my E drive. So now let's compare these two resumes. What is the major difference between these two resumes? So the new resume will look like this. It looks more professional, the formatting, the design, right? Everything is very different from one which we have created from this profile section. So this is what you can do to create your resume, which will be professional, elegant, clean, and has been updated with the professional tips given by the LinkedIn. So this is how you can create your LinkedIn profile and then convert it into your resumes, which you can use to get your desired jobs. So that's all for today's video, and if you like this video, I am sure you would have liked this video, because this is something new which I have just found and I shared with you. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you very much.